فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Allah said, Allahu yastahzi'u bihim wa yamudduhum fi tughyanihim ya'mahun. Allah mocks at them and gives them increase in their wrongdoings to wander blindly. There are lots of hints in first part of ayah. One of them is Allah will humiliate them, hypocrites, on the judgment day. And even now, this pathetic attitude is Allah's way of humiliating them. Munafiq have no respect. There is word amiyah, which means to be blind in the heart. And here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying He extends them in their rebellion blind in the heart. Surah Nisa, it is said, Innal munafiqina fi darkil asfali minan nar. Hypocrites are in the lowest pit of hellfire. How do you think they got that low? They dug it themselves. And Allah said, let me dig it deeper for yourselves, munafiq. In words, in أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين. These are they who have purchased error for guidance, so their commerce was profitless, and they were not guided. They have favored misguidance over guidance. They prefer to stay in guidance in darkness. So the exchange has brought no benefit or guidance. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly tells that hypocrites have exchanged error with guidance. So Allah has made their commerce profitless. Munafiq tries to get benefits of the world, but eventually he loses all those because he has given priority to the world on Hidayah. The very next ayah, مثلهم مثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون. The example is that of one who kindled a fire, but when it illuminated what was around him, Allah took away their light and left them in darkness, so they couldn't see. Allah likened the hypocrites when they brought deviation with guidance, thus acquiring utter blindness, to the example of a person who started a fire. When the fire was lit and illuminated the surrounding area, the person benefited from it and felt safe. Then the fire was suddenly extinguished. Allah's statement, ذهب الله بنورهم, Allah removed their light. Means Allah removed what benefits them, and this is the light, and He left them what harmed them. That is darkness and smoke. Allah said, وَتَرَكَهُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتٍ, and left them in darkness. That's their doubts, disbelief, and hypocrisy. لَا يُبْصِرُونَ. So they couldn't see, meaning they are unable to find the correct path or find its direction. In addition, they are summum, deaf, thus they can't hear the guidance. Bukmun, dumb, and can't utter the words that might benefit them. Umyun, and blind in total darkness and deviation. They are deaf, they are dumb, they are blind, so they will not return to the right way.